everyone, welcome to all in Sarma English classes. My dear friends, today once again I am having a class related to expressions. In life we make so many error, so many mistakes, and knowingly, unknowingly, intentionally, unintentionally. So how we need to realize that these mistakes which I made, unknowingly I made it. And when you realize, you speak some expressions. Generally, these expressions are very common, but some of them I'm going to give you very strange or very new, to kindly adopt them. But before this, you need to listen what I'm gonna say you. There is a saying that to error is human. We all make mistakes. Some learn out of them, some don't. People seem to think that once a mistake is made, one cannot undo it. True, but you can reduce the impact of the mistake by apologizing. However, while apologizing, you should not sound trite. Your words should be made to carry the weight of your contritions. There is a saying which is also said, which is written on the screen: the first to apologize is the bravest. It means who is very brave, who is going to apologize. The first to forgive is the strongest. Who is forgiving the mistakes of others, that is a strong person. And the first to forget is the happiest. Who is listening and forgetting is the happiest man in the world. So, my dear friends, you need to also follow these sort of things. Sorry, it's very common. Whenever any mistake knowing or unknowingly is made, you use sorry so many times. I'm sorry, sir, I didn't do. I'm sorry, I'm unable to do this. I'm sorry, I forgot. So, like this type of thing. Afraid, you say something in terms of afraid. Somebody is demanding something from you. You are unable to help him or her. So, what you are saying? I'm afraid I can't help it. I can't help you. I can't help in this regard. I am helpless. Pardon. If someone is saying you something and you could not listen due to any type of thing which came in your mind, or maybe due to distraction, your mind was somewhere else and you could not listen that. So what you are going to speak, sir, pardon please. It means you are going to say him or her, repeat again, sir. Forgive is also a word which is spoken when you want someone should forgive me. So you are saying, sir, forgive me please for my mistake. Any mistake which you made. Regret, it is also a word. It was my mistake, I regret it. So for that, realizing, you speak. Hurt, when you hurt somebody's feelings, you often speak like this: I'm sorry that I hurt you a lot. You speak like this. Realize, when you realize, you speak: I realize now that was my mistake, sir. Mistaken, sometimes you are realizing someone, then you are saying you are mistaken. When you are realizing your own mistake, what you are going to speak? Sorry, I have mistaken you. It means I took you in a wrong manner. So in that manner you can speak like this. Delay the matter. Anyhow the matter has been delayed, maybe by you, by your process, or by any means. So you are going to accept what? Sorry to have delayed the matter. It may, after delaying, you are accepting that was your own mistake. Misunderstanding. In the life, most of time misunderstanding comes and we take in wrong manner the thing. But when we realize, we say, sorry, I have misunderstood you. Sir, I could not understand, but on that day I took you in different manner. That's why, due to misunderstanding, we created gap. Wrong opinion, maybe your opinion was wrong and you are saying like this: sorry, I have created wrong opinion, sir. It means you have created, in which manner, in which context a thing was said, but you took in different context, so that you are speaking like this. Keep you waiting. If someone is saying you to wait and he has taken so much time, and it also happens, someone has come at your home but you are unable to meet him and he has been waiting. So after that, what you are going to say? Sorry to have kept you waiting. It means due to me you kept in this process yourself. So in terms of waiting, I am saying. Unkind of me. If you are speaking like this, it was so unkind of me to have done this. So it means unkind means not kind hearted. Unkind means of me, I'm feeling uncomfortable. I'm feeling a type of person who has made a blunder in life, that you are feeling like this, or you are realizing. Hard hearted, you are saying it was hard hearted of me to have done this. It means seriously, I'm regretting a lot, I'm remorsing a lot. That's why you are speaking. Beg your pardon when you people are just going to discuss upon a good thing, but they are senior to you, they are senior as well as they are having more knowledge than you. But if you have very good opinion, if you are going to stop them or you are going to share your own opinion and thought which is coming in your mind, so you are going to make mistake, but you are saying, may I beg your pardon please? Oh, you are saying like this, what? I'm going to make mistake, forgive me for this. It means you are going to entrap them and you are going to speak in advance so that he or she is maybe accepting your talk. But first of all, you are accepting this is my mistake. You are remorsing, you are regretting. So that if you like this channel or you like this video, my dear friends, like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.